Okay, welcome to EF Clothing. So I'm going to show you basics of how to cut your neck and how to cut your armhole perfectly. So first of all, I'm writing down measurement for my neck. My neck is 16.5. So the 16.5, the length is going to be 4, while the width is going to be 2.3. So I'm going to show you everything how I'm going to take you through the process. So my shoulder overlapping is 3.5, 3.3. It's more than 3.5 though, but it's supposed to be 4 inch, but it's not bad. So firstly, we cut out our neck. I've drawn my neck already. That's what I'm measuring it again, so I'll confirm it for you. So the length is 4 inch. That's the 4 inch over there. That's after lapping it together. That's my 4 inch. Then the width is 2.3. That's my 2.3 right there. If you know how to measure tape rule, if you know how to make use of a tape rule, that's 2.3. Okay, so that's what will give me my perfect 16.5 neck. So next, I'm going to cut it out. After cutting it out, so while doing this, I would like you guys to follow my page, like and comment what you want me to do for you. I'm going to drop a video of anything you need, any tutorial you want, any tutorial you need, anything you're having difficulties on, just let me know. I'm going to drop a tutorial for you. Okay, so what's next? Measure our shoulder, because this tutorial is all about cutting your neck, perfect neck, and a shoulder, your armhole. So I'm going to cut the shoulder. I'm going to cut the shoulder and armhole together. This is the best way to cut it and make it fit on any of your clients. When you cut it like this, it usually fits. So my shoulder is 17. Like I showed you previously, my shoulder is 17. Our shoulder plus 1. You have to mark that out. Okay, so my shoulder is 17 plus 1 plus 1 inch. That gives us 18. Okay, so that's my 18 right there. So 18 divided by 2, that's what? That's 9. So this is my 9 here. So then I measure my armhole. My armhole is 10 minus 1.5. That's 1.5, 1.5. Any you want to say it, any you like it. But the correct one is 1.5. So I'll mark out my 8.5. Then I'll measure for the chest. Instead of my 9, I measured 8.5 for the chest. A down chest there. So I'll mark it and I'll minus 1. That one is for avoiding wrinkle on the chest, on the armhole. It make it look perfect and very smart on the client's chest. This is the kind of things you see on pictures that you look like, is this a god? Is he a god that sewed the clothes, or is a human being? Because everything there will be perfect. There won't be any wrinkle on the chest or anything. But that's it. So please don't forget to like, comment, and follow my page, and share it to your friends too. Please don't forget to share it. Share it to your friends too. They should come to my page and come and learn from me. I'm going to teach you more of this. More and more of this will be coming up soon. Just follow me. When you follow me, then you give me the joy to post more videos. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. See you on the next video. Peace out.